here is the directional video for our Suite 1 guests wanting access to the laundry room. So once you leave your unit, you'll want to go down the staircase. And once at the bottom, you'll want to go left. If you're parking a vehicle, this is the same route that you'll take to your vehicle space. So you'll want to keep left and remain straight. And this will get you to the parking lot that's at 33 Cannon Street. And we're gonna walk towards this white house right here. We're not gonna climb the stairs, we're actually gonna go under the deck. And here you see the laundry room, labeled CHC Vacation Rentals Laundry Room. So you'll enter your code. You're gonna open the door, and this is the laundry room.